the identity threat is that especially when we frame AI in terms of efficiency gains, it looks like someone is being replaced instead of augmented by the technology. So there's a pretty good study out of, I think it was Stanford, around a cooking study where they gave groups of people this kitchen automation device, think like maybe like a pressure cooker or something. And they advertised it to these groups of people in two different ways. On one hand, they advertised it as it does the cooking for you. And on the other hand, they advertised it as it helps you cook better. It's the same device, but in this group of people that were receiving the device, the people that identified as cooks rejected the first version and accepted the second. So this like augmentation story really helps alleviate the identity threat, but so few people approach advertising new technology that way. And there's like another dimension to this too, where work can sometimes be imbued with symbolism. So like imagine trying to get a tattoo from a tattoo robot. People definitely do not want a robot giving them a tattoo. It's supposed to be a human craft. But they're fine usually, if you ask them the opposite question, they're fine with a robot removing one because that's more of an instrumental process. There's no symbolism involved in it. And what I've found at Trail of Bits and with like most knowledge work in particular is that it's a deeply symbolic act that like, yeah, you feel that there's a human craft involved.